Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. For access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Good morning, guys. It's James. It's Thursday, October 25th. Going to do my morning video on gold. So gold futures right now, so far the monthly, we do have an inside candle and it is breaking bullish here. And after trading for weeks in a sideways range here on the weekly, we've just been trading sideways. Again, we captured that 20 MA last week, the middle Bollinger Band, and do like the fact that we are holding that back test of the 20 MA here, which is at 1225.80 on gold futures, and we did break to a higher high on the weekly. We are holding a higher low on the weekly as well from the previous week, so we'll see if we continue to set consecutive higher highs on the weekly and continue to hold higher lows on the longer term trend. I do like that weekly Bollinger test, back test, if we are able to hold it by the end of trading day tomorrow. Looking at the daily on gold. So again, daily on gold, you saw this incredible bull volume and this breakout from this daily range here. And this healthy consolidation, you can see that the volume is continuing to decrease here. This is healthy consolidation at this point. We did see profit taking from the upper Bollinger Band on this move up, but we did break to a higher high on the daily. And as long as we see these higher lows forming on the daily as well. So want to see a hold here of 1222.80 on gold futures on any pullback here, and hold that higher lows on the daily here. Red flag if we break the low of this consolidation here of 1219.30 on gold. But so far this is healthy. Again, we're just trading sideways again on the daily, but after this big move expected, this again, the gold move is not on really on dollar weakness. The dollar's been still holding up really well. It's been due to volatility in the markets and people looking for a safe haven. So you can see people moving into bonds, TLT, and gold as safe havens for the market. So looking at the hourly gold supports and resistances. Do this so I can make the charts a little bigger. There we go. So hourly resistance here we have at 1242, then at this recent high here at 1243. Support we have at 1232.80, then at 1230.10, and then finally at 1228.30. That's the intraday hourly supports to be watching for. Looking at the miners. The miners, again, are not as strong as gold just because of the market weakness. They are still equities. Have to keep that in mind. GDX did break to a higher high on the daily here on these charts, whereas I believe GDXJ did not. So the senior miners did break to a higher high. Definitely want to see a hold here of the low here of 1968 on any pullback, which it is doing. Let me look at it at pre-market, see what it's doing pre-market. So still holding that support here. So like the fact that we're holding that support, you can see on the hourly forming lower highs at this point on this pullback and lower lows. So on any move up right now, this is the resistance we want to break and form a higher high on the hourly on GDX. That's at 2024. GDXJ, that resistance is at all the way up here at 29.89. And again, miners react best when gold and markets move in the same direction. So we'll see what happens on this market bounce if gold can hold up and see if we can break that resistance. And again, on the daily on GDXJ, I don't know if we did. So we have a high here at 30.31 and 30.30. So double top by a penny, whereas the senior miners have already broken this daily resistance. So we are in a range here between 30.31 and this support here of 29.10 on the junior miners. Have a good day of trading, and I'll see you shortly.